If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And we got something I've never had to do before. And that's do a recall on one of my Dewalt tools. Can you guess which one? Let's go check out www.dewalt and we'll go find out which one has a recall. I've never been informed of it, but I just happened to be on their website checking out stuff, and lo and behold, I came across this. So let's go to the office and let's go to their website and let's figure out which one of these tools has a recall. Well, have you guessed what tool it is yet? Well, I buy a lot of Dewalt tools, so every so often I go into the main page and you go into support and safety notices and recalls. And there it is. That's my mitre saw right there, DWS779. So that's what's got a recall on it. So without going to the actual website of Dewalt, I would not have known. I bought my mitre saw from Canadian Tire, and I was just in there the other day, and there's no notice stuff anywhere in the Dewalt tool area. I buy Dewalt tools from Amazon. There's no notification there that, hey, if you have this model, you know. I bought them at Home Depot, Rona, Canadian Tire, Home Hardware, and nothing pops up that's saying, hey, if you happen to have this mitre saw with this model number, there's a recall on it. So a little disappointing that unless you are proactive and actually look for things, no one's going to tell you that there is a serious danger with one of the machines that you have. And it could be with anything other than Dewalt. So I buy a lot of different kind of tools and all that. And bored Sunday I wake up, I'll just go into their help section, their support section, and see if there's any recall notices. So yes, here we go. So it includes 3 different mitre saws. So let's go into it. And it talks about the 3 different models and the date codes, and it'll show you where those date codes are so you can confirm whether yours is affected or not. Here it shows that it's already been inspected and checked. So if you've got a green dot there, okay, don't worry. But if you don't, stop using it immediately. And so I found out about a month ago about this, and the repair part came in within 2 weeks, I want to say maybe 3 weeks, and that's up here in Canada. So that was pretty good. So fill in your information, your date code and all that, where you want your part to go to, and yeah, within you'll get a confirmation that they've received it, and they'll let you know, hey, we shipped out your warranty part for free, and it'll be in the mail. And yeah, this is what you get. So yeah, that's what you get. There's the part number, the box, and inside it is, wow, something metal. That's all metal. There's no plastic. You also get a couple of screws in the box and some instructions. So if you don't like reading, well, there's some instructions right here. Right on the website there. Play the video and it'll run through it. Or you can watch me do it. Okay, so the first things first is we have to make sure the power's off. Unplug it. There's a cord, unplug it. Let's get this up to working height. And first thing we got to do is get that blade out. Okay, after you got all the power off, grab the tool that comes with it and loosen this back screw right here. You just have to loosen it, and then loosen this guy. Now, of course, this is the 779 model, so now we can get to here. Okay, so now on the other side there is a plunger. Okay, on the back side of the blade there's a plunger. Push that in and turn until it locks. Once it's locked, you can undo this tool. You can undo this. Remember, it's reverse thread on this, so hold on to your blade. There we go. Now we can get to this plastic part that has to get removed. See, that was the problem. Don't use plastic, use metal. Okay, using the same tool, you have a screw here. Let's remove that. So this is the part that it will break because it's plastic. Never put anything plastic near a rotating blade. You actually just twist this off, it comes off, and then you can get to this guy. Get rid of that too. Okay, you throw this away. Throw that away. But keep the screws, you never know. Okay, let's get the new piece on. Use the 2 new screws supplied. Okay, so now I want you to start this back one on first, and you got to be at a little bit at an angle, unfortunately, but it does go. Go until you can't swing it in, so keep spinning it. Go a little bit more. You cannot get it tight yet. Oh, I went too much. Oh, there we go. I just got it on. Okay, so let's get this side one on. Good and tight, and let's get this back one on. You're at a bit of an angle, unfortunately, but you only have to go a few turns. Okay, that's good and tight. That's what the new piece. This is still plastic, but this is metal. Okay, so let's get the blade back on. Remember, reverse thread on this guy. Okay, let's get this plunger on the other side. Pushed in. And tighten it.
just give it a spin with your hand to make sure everything is loose. And okay, let's get this back on here now. So what you have to do is kind of hold it down and then tighten this one first. And then tighten that back one here. There, spinner, make sure everything is good. Yeah, it goes all the way down. Put your tool away. And call it a day. So I'm going to plug it in, do a few test cuts, but there you go. So like I recommend, always if you buy a lot of tools from a certain manufacturer, go to their website every so often and see if there's a recall. Apparently they don't have to notify people. They just have to put it on their website, and that's all you need. So anyways, I hope that you see this video and not keep on operating your saw and injure yourself with that bad part. Okay, well everyone, thanks for watching, and good luck with your recall.